How to add device on Amazon Prime Video. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Amazon Prime Video website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, head over to your accounts and settings page. In this page, you can see different options at the top. If you scroll it to the right, here you can see the devices section. So in order to add a device on your Amazon Prime Video account, you can go to the devices section. Once you are in this devices page, you will find the option to register a new device. Tap on this register new device option. Now in this page, you can add a new device into your account. For that, you will need a registration code. In order to find the registration code, here are the few steps. As you can see here, it has given 3 steps. You need to launch the Prime Video app on your other device. And over there, you need to select register on the Prime website. And after that, the registration code will appear on the left hand side. You can take note of that registration code and enter it over here. After that, you can tap on this register device button. So that's how you can easily add a device on your Amazon Prime Video account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.